I'm just a curious youngster trying to figure out how to be a night heron. We live in those big trees. We hatched out of eggs way up there.
We have 2 species of birds that migrate here yearly to have their babies. This is the nesting area.
That's my youngster telling stories. We've been coming to these trees each spring for years. This summer, we had a lot of nests here, too many to count.
If it's warm enough, we'll come down from the trees and hang out on the ground, picking at leaves and sticks. Maybe we'll find something to eat.
The snowy egret and the black-crowned night heron are having their babies here. They're federally protected for the Migratory Bird Act. The city wants to put in a little water park over here. The birds need to be undisturbed. They use the pool area that's in the fenced-in area as a playground because they're very shy birds, so we don't want to stress them out.
We sleep a lot in the daytime. We need to keep our feathers clean and in order, so we preen a lot. Do you care about me?